Thank you so much for being here with us on behalf of IBG. I'm truly delighted to welcome each and every one of you. Today is a wondrous day. It's the World Environment Day, and I'm truly delighted to welcome each and every one of you. Well, to my lovely friends and to everyone who is an entrepreneur here with the IBG group, I truly am delighted to speak to all of you because all our entrepreneurs are getting into a different stream altogether. So where we believe that this is the normal self. So I'm truly happy to have all of you here. To begin with, I'm going to definitely speak a few words about IBG. So thank you so much who are already here with us. And for all those who are new with us today, please make sure you send us your email ID so that we can be in touch with you post this session as well and let you know about the future sessions. And for the IBG family, yeah, it's time for us to get into this beautiful mode. Towards the end, we have a surprise for all of you. So I'm going to request you all to stay back for the surprise. Speaking a few words about IBG, well, my dear friends, I'm going to definitely tell you something which is very close to my heart. The India Business Group, which is one of its kind, a modern chamber of commerce and an independent, not-for-profit membership organization covering all business sectors and segments. We have around 80,000 members in Mumbai and around 1,000 active members in our chamber. And the board of committee members is a diverse group of business representative and individuals. You help really ensure that the chamber is moving forward and all the members are moving along with it. Now, I must mention this, that the chamber really helps people, the Indian community from across the world, and takes us across borders to really explore our entrepreneurship. So I'm truly thankful to IBG for really having this wondrous session today where we have our very special guest. She's a wellness ambassador, globally renowned, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, and the session today is on mental wellness during COVID-19. So at the end of the session today, we will all get into the rejuvenation mode. Trust me, today's session will change your life forever. So I'm going to request you all to be very positive, very open, and take everything that comes your way because it's all for our physical, mental, spiritual, and holistic well-being. End of the day, we've all realized during the period of COVID-19 that only health is our pure wealth, perfect wealth. So I'm truly going to thank all of you. And before I invite Priya here, I'm going to request all of you to kindly put your sound, your audio on mute. And may I please request you all to kindly put your video off as well, which I will give you an opportunity towards the end to have everyone's videos on and we'll have a great photo op. But for now, I'm going to request you all to please, a humble request to all of you to put your audio on mute and video off, please. So thank you so much. It's time for me to invite the CEO of India Business Group, Priya Pansare, who's been connected with us every single day, trying to make sure that we are happy in these times as well. And we are very creative and innovative. So Priya, how are you doing today?
Very good. Thank you so much, Simran. Good morning, everyone. And a very big welcome to Rekha Chaudhary. She's the guru of fitness industry, and we'll get to know a lot of things today from her. Thanks a lot for thanks a lot to come on IBG's platform, and thanks everyone.
Thank you very much, dear Priya. And for all those who are new here with us, so please get in touch with Priya, and she's absolutely a beautiful soul. She will definitely give you all the info and be here with us as a part of the IBG family. I'm going to also take this opportunity of thanking my dear friend Girish and Siddhi, who really helped me a lot with this, my very one of its kind first webinar for me, where I'm the host. So thank you so much for doing everything for IBG and for being connected with every single member of IBG and giving that personal touch of the right information and the right exposure to all our lovely family members of IBG. Thank you so much. And now it's time for me to invite the gentleman. Well, he is absolutely a legend, and it's absolutely my honor, my pleasure to welcome the founder of IBG. We've always loved Nazara Technologies, and thank you. Nazara has been on the top with giving great games during this time of COVID. So my lovely friends, may we please invite our leader and legend, our business guru, Mr. Vikash Mittersain, who's the chairman and managing director of Nazara Technologies Limited and the founder and president of India Business Group, Chamber of Commerce, which is one of its kind. truly honored to have with us our Honorary Consul of Republic of Mali. He's also a young radio jockey and बहुत romantic हो जाते हैं अपने shows में ये मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी आप सबसे. He's on the advisory board of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Center, Lucknow, the member of Rotary Club of Bombay, a TEDx speaker, the author of several books. The first book is You CEO, book You the Leader, and My Post on Facebook. And guess what? During this COVID-19, he's already penned down book number 4 and 5. May we please welcome our legend and our business guru, Mr. and Dr. Vikash Mitra Singh. So I'm going to welcome him here, Dr. Vikash Mitra Singh.
Where does that word doctor come in?
You are everything.
Don't you think you've spoken too much about me?
No.
Talking about the chief guest.
Yeah, I have lots about her too.
Yeah.
You want
all
to?
The best. You said you're first time host.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the best.
I'm nervous.
All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hope to see you again.
Yeah, thank you.
And I already said hi to Dr. Chaudhary. I'm completely impressed by her. I keep following her actions, and she's doing so much all the time, all over the world. Thank you. I think I won't stay here too long. Let's get on with the action.
Sure. Thank you so much for that opening remark. And look at the smile Dr. Rekha has. क्या बात है? इनका नाम ही इतना magical है. Well, I'd like to introduce us. Definitely I can call her honorable chief guest here. Yes, it's true that I've been the host, but I'm handling everything for the first time. It's really not easy. I'm nervous, absolutely. So thank you so much. And we have a surprise for you towards the end. I'm going to request you all to be there with us towards the end, but I'm going to announce it right now before I invite our honorable chief guest here. We also celebrating Mr. Vikash Mitra Singh, our business group leader's birthday today towards the end of the session. So please, no more messages regarding the birthday right now towards the end. And for now, it's time for me to welcome our global wellness leader. She's the global wellness ambassador of India, and she represents India on an international arena with more than 100 countries. Oh. Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. Her career has been pretty much interesting. She comes and hails from a small village. You heard it right. From a small village to becoming a global ambassador, to going across the world. As far as language, personality, proving herself is concerned, she did prove herself during her childhood when she first participated in a great cooking contest. But that is what her confidence took her places. It's going to be absolutely inspiring talk simply because we all know, we all have realized health is the pure wealth. And how important is mental health? Can mental health truly change the planet? And the answer, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary proudly says, is yes. A story from this remote village of Nandurbar to representing the top French brand to being invited by the Oxford University, Harvard University. And this morning, we are truly privileged and honored to have her here with us at India Business Group Chamber of Commerce. She was honored with the philosophy and as a doctorate honoris causa award in health and wellness sector by Dr. John Thomas from France, and her smile says it all. Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, I'm so excited to have you here. So we're going to have your session for 15 to 20 minutes, post which will be open for the Q&A sessions. A wholehearty welcome to you, and bahut dil se aur atma se, soulfully I welcome you here. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Simran. I have been just, I want to hear you again and again. Your voice is so sweet and so energetic, and that's what the industry, wellness industry say about that energy. Energy is so good, so good. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for the lovely introduction. And I'm so pleased and happy to be on this platform. IBG is my third experience. Because he has really, done the beautiful job for this platform. What I have been knowing since long, I got to know him, and beautifully he has, laid down the vision for this platform, along with so many legends here, so many leaders. So hats off to his energy also. He has been instrumenting this, vision to the everyone and action, and that's what I am seeing him from the day I know him. The energy, And I see that I would like to wish him happy birthday today. The energy man is again, getting younger and younger and driving this force and this vision to everybody. So thanks a lot. Simran, it was a lovely introduction given by you, and you said the health and wellness. So this health and wellness is the topic which we are going to talk, and about the wellness, especially about the mental health. So mental health is the topic which is really is a wellness, mental wellness is really, really concern about the everyone, and especially on the world platform. Today, we all of us are going through the difficult time, right? And when it is going, we did not expect it, but something has happened to us today, and our whole life vision or life thought process has completely changed, right? So many people are thinking today. There are someone are taking in a positive note or positively, someone is taking in a different way as negatively completely, someone is thinking end, world has end here, or someone is thinking completely sad, completely lonely. And other place, other side, if you see, the some people are very energetic, like all of us are today, whomever is on this platform, we all of us are energetic, we have the positive aura, we are willing to do certain thing further. How it happens, why it happens, what is the exactly mental status, why people are thinking this way. So first, let me go back and talk about the wellness. What exactly is the wellness? Many of them are confused or not able to understand what exactly is the wellness. So friends, wellness study today, whatever is coming front of us, it has gone back, lay back in the 19th century civilization. This has started from the east to west, means from India to China to go to the Greece and Rome. And from there, again the America and other countries, all these people, those days, 19th century, what kind of the civilization pattern was there? How people were, self-healing themselves. What was the pattern for them to giving the naturally recovering, taking the natural recovering? All this, and same time, what was the medical movements on those days? All this study has been taken forward, and that is laying down the wellness foundation today. So wellness has a different verticals, which Simran already mentioned, physical wellness, mental wellness, or social wellness, or environmental wellness. These are the segment which is in the wellness industry, is making the whole wellness industry as a one platform. So many of them are like, exercise comes under the physical wellness, nutrition come under the physical wellness. But same time, when you are connected to the world in the sense, what you can connect to the outside the world, or you can connect around your world. That is a world for you, for your mentally, right? So when you are connecting to the world, seeing outside, or talking to the world outside or inside, wherever you are. But then when you are getting connected to the from your mind to the outside your mind, anybody, that is called the world here. So that world, when you are getting connected, so you are consuming lot of information, you are taking the lot many negative positive thoughts from the world. Same time, you are preparing yourself and driving yourself to connect to the world. All these actions are in the mental wellness, it comes under the mental wellness. And today, when I'm coming back to the talking about the mental wellness, so all this pandemic period has been taken differently by different variety of the people, and that is where our role has to be played very strongly. And when we are developing our mental wellness, we have to think very strong about this, how we are taking us as ourselves. When we are connecting to the world, so as I'm mentioning, that is, you are taking the outside world information in your mind, you're welcoming your mind, opening your door, and taking all this information. For example, if you go and you just constantly watch the TV and constantly watch the negative thoughts, automatically it comes in your mind completely. Your mind starts channelizing accordingly, right? Your body starts channelizing accordingly, because don't forget, your mind, your body and soul is connected to overall your well-being lifestyle. You know, not only mind will work, body will not work, or body will work, soul will not work. It is not. It is a three of the combination is completely as a wellness, well-being lifestyle. Where when one part of your mind is started playing about it or accepting all this news, negative news, WhatsApp, you just see the so many negative news you just keep on receiving, or sometime without understanding, you are just forwarding the message to other person without knowing anything. You don't know how much damages you are doing for the society when you are forwarding the message without knowing that. So all these things coming under the mental wellness, all these actions of your coming the under the mental wellness, where you are, you know, automatically converting yourself in the this thought process. So when it coming such a important part, your mind and your, you know, your thought process is playing for your well-being lifestyle. So where you have to prepare yourself, you have to change your mindset, you have to behave accordingly. Because don't forget, you know, all this, when you become the negative, or when you become yourself is very sad, or you are thinking today I'm very sad, I'm very, you know, I'm in the problem, I'm just going through this so much damages, all these things we are thinking, and making me is I am going through this, I'm going through that, I'm going through this. This is laying down is depression for your whole lifestyle, you know. And why it is happening, why this lifestyle is becoming depression? Because you are allowing all these things to enter in your body, enter in your mind. And that is what we are I'm focusing, how you should be, how you should be controlling yourself, how you should be not allowing this thing, friends. Because there is no doctor available, no doctor available in the world who will stop entering this thought process in your mind. No one can stop that. They can come and they can counsel you after the getting this thought process in your mind. When you become the negative, when you become the depressed, that time doctors come and they are just giving the advice, they will give the medicines, they will give the counseling pattern to you, but they can't stop the thought process going inside your mind. Inside your mind going the thought process is, you are the only and only one person who will stop this. You are the captor for your own well-being lifestyle if you are taking the negative things in your mind. And this is what we, all of us, has to help ourselves. You know, we have to come, we have to become our own soldier for our own thought process. We have to not allow the things which is damaging you. So this is very important for everyone to understand the how mental health plays. Because this stress level is so bad, which is automatically damaging your whole complete body, which is whole completely, damaging in the sense, not immediately you will see the result, but you will see the result slowly and steadily. You will see the damage side effect on your body. Today we are talking about a coronavirus. Coronavirus has done the so much damages to our life. Yes, it has done the damages, but don't forget, this coronavirus will kill by the one of the vaccine today, tomorrow, or in the future, any day. It is not possible. This vaccines will, some vaccine will come, and that vaccine will definitely kill this coronavirus. But what about us? What about us when we are taking this another virus in our mind, that is called the mental illness? You know, mental illness is not just certain things. Mental illness is what we are talking about. We are talking about all this thought process, what we are taking in our mindset, how we are behaving, taking all these things around us in the negatively and depressingly. We are moving our life towards the towards our whole life. So all these things, when it is damaging to you, so you have to be very careful, and there you have to become your own doctor. You have to become the own doctor to treat your mind. No one can do it. That no one can do it. You are the only one person who will be doing this action by yourself. You know, so many times, you know, Simran is coming on the platform, Rekha Chaudhary is coming on the platform, Vikas is coming on the platform, Priya is coming on the platform to treat the world, or talking positively, or energizing, or giving the sessions to helping the society, right? We, all of us, are doing that. But at the end of the day, person who is listening to us, it becomes his initiative to take the next step. to take this all this positive thought process and not to allowing the negative thought process. So this is what the wellness and well-being lifestyle. I have been creating the awareness through the various actions by celebrating the Global Wellness Day, which is coming now in the June, in the second Saturday, where we are talking about the overall the well-being lifestyle. Then second, where I have created the World Digital Detox Day, which is accepted by the many of the countries, and they are, and of course in India. And this focus, specific digital detox day is focusing about your mental health and mental wellness, where I am specifically touching the one point, which is the virus which has already entered in our body and already entered in our mind and already entered in our whole family, is that, you know, all this technology initiative. Technology is the vardhan for us. It is, everyone has to understand. It has become the one of the, you know, helping strong platform for everybody. That's why today we are connected. We are connected to the technology, and we are talking to the world today. So it's a beautiful, you know, beautiful invention which has been done by the human being. Human has invented such a beautiful thought, you know, for the new generation, for the new life. As I'm saying you, 19th century, when we are talking about the 19th century, so today we are studying about their self-healing pattern, their natural way, holistically, how they work recovering themselves. All these patterns we are studying. But what about the other pattern today, when our generation will be studied in the future? So what will happen that time? So that time definitely people will talk about all this the initiative which is done by the human being for the base of the technology. But same time, what is happening today, this technology has been explored in a wrong way. Technology has been taken in the way without, you know, discipline our life, and because of that damages what is happening in our life today. All of us we are completely stuck on the devices, which is only, you know, small screen has been keep on keeping us engaged throughout our whole day. Same time, while sleeping also, you are sleeping with the mobile, you are sleeping with the iPad, you are sleeping with all these devices, front of the computer, front of the TV, all these devices around you. You are sleeping with that, and you're bringing your, like, you know, like border to your life with all this technology, right? All this technology. So what I mean to say that is, you know, all of us has to be understand these things very serious level. This technology is good for us, for our well-being, but same time this is also excess use of the technology, which is really damaging the whole life. It's for example, today we are sitting on the dining table, and what we are doing, we all of us are just busy taking the food photos, taking the, you know, how I'm sitting, what I'm doing, all these things is on and off. You see that enjoyment is missing, that enjoyment of family gathering is missing, that enjoyment of the get together is missing, because all of us are busy in posting ourselves. Not a bad thing, it is good thing, but certain limit has to be there for the each and every action of human being, which is damaging us on our whole lifestyle. So these are the attention when our digital detox day is formed by me. This is the attention bringing to the certain points where people will automatically start thinking about that. Government will start laying down certain borders for this, because don't forget, this is becoming the biggest like, you know, concern on the world platform, how human being will be behaving further. So friend, when I'm talking again about the 19th century, so when someone will study about us, so same time when technology invention will be talk about us, but same time how human being has taken our own life for the granted, and how we are moving ahead with all these devices and all this, you know, excess digital stuff in our life, and how we have damaged that will be also definitely discussed in the future. And in future again you will see the one session, one more things, like, you know, we all of us, don't take it in the lightly, when we are talking about this, because you must have seen some people are like, sitting on the dining table. That video you must have seen is very common. We are talking with each other over the phone. That day is not so far. It is very close to us, because we have taken ourselves so grandly, taking ourselves so grandly, and we are not taking proper, properly our own soul and own body. Holistic touch is what exactly is the mind, body, and soul has to be clean with the thought process, clean with the helping, all this, like, giving attitude. And giving attitude is what, when you become the discipline yourself, when you become the happy person yourself, that holistic soul has to touch to the other soul, and that soul has to ignite the other soul and encourage them. What is happening today on the IBG platform? IBG platform is all these players are here. Simran is here, Vikas is here, Priyaji is here, and whole team is here. What they are doing the same thing. They are igniting happiness in your life. They are bringing the happiness through the various speaker whomever they are bringing here. They are trying to, they're trying to help the society. Similar kind of thing. This is called the holistic touch. Nothing else. Holistic touch means what is exactly, I have been running the one initiative is called the Paras Money. Paras Money is what lies in the childhood. We used to think about that. We used to hear all these things. Gold एक पत्थर होता है जो दूसरे को टच करता है तो सोने में बदल देता है. कोई भी चीज को टच करता है तो सोने में बदल देता है. इसका मतलब क्या था? तब बचपन में जब हम लोग सोच रहे थे, तब सोचना यही हो गया था कि अरे ऐसा अगर ये पत्थर मुझे मिल जाए तो मैं तो बहुत रिच बन जाऊंगा, और मैं रिच बनने के बाद तो मुझे क्या, मैं काम ही करना जरूरी नहीं है. दैट वे वी यूज्ड टू थिंक. बट जैसे जैसे ग्रो होते गए वैसे वैसे हमें पता चलने लगा कि नो, दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वाज दैट? सो फ्रेंड्स, यही वो था पत्थर. आज भी वो अपने लाइफ में है. ये पारस मनी जो है, फिलोसोफर स्टोन जो है, ये आज एक अपने लाइफ में है, जहाँ पे हमें खुद को होलिस्टिक बनना है, हमें खुद को प्योर बनना है, और वो प्योरिस्टिस जो अपने अंदर है वो दूसरे के अंदर डालने के लिए प्रयास करना है. वही उसी को ही बोलते हैं होलिस्टिक, सॉरी, पारस टच मीन्स पारस पत्थर. वही है कि एक पत्थर दूसरे पत्थर को, मीन्स एक इंसान, अच्छा इंसान जो गोल्ड खुद में बन चुका है, मीन्स गोल्ड इज विच इज अ प्रीशियस गोल्ड. पुराने जमाने में उसी को ही एक बहुत सबसे ज्यादा प्रीशियस ये बना धातु समझा जाता था. ऐसे इसमें अगर खुद को ही गोल्ड में आपने खुद को कन्वर्ट किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर कन्वर्टिंग अदर पर्सन. दैट इज द हिडन मैसेज बिहाइंड दैट फिलोसोफर स्टोन्स. और उसी की श्रृंखला मैंने चालू की जब से कोविड-19 का पीरियड आया है. वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक मैक्सिमम एफर्ट्स टू मेक द सोसाइटी हैप्पी एंड आवरसेल्फ आल्सो वी आर कीपिंग हैप्पी एंड एनर्जेटिक. दुनिया में ये सब जगह पे ये सभी का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. इट इज नॉट यू आर ओनली अफेक्टेड. All of us are affected, but everyone has to think positively. That is what the mission started. और आज ये पारस मनी का मिशन आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते बहुत सारे लोगों के लाइफ में आज अच्छे से उसको हैप्पीनेस ला रहा है. दिस इज द होलिस्टिक टच व्हाट वी आर डूइंग थ्रू दिस मिशन. और आज यही प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम लोग वही काम कर रहे हैं. मेरे जैसे जितने हैं, जो भी लोग हैं, मैं हमेशा देख रही हूँ अच्छे अच्छे प्रोग्राम से लोग रन कर रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द फंटास्टिक जॉब. तो यही एक है हिडन मैसेज हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमें दिया है. और फ्रेंड, ये जो है हमारे पास बहुत सारा है. इन इंडिया वी आर रिचेस्ट कंट्री विद ऑल दिस होलिस्टिकली लिविंग लाइफस्टाइल. वी आर द रिचेस्ट कंट्री. एग्जाम्पल अगर आप देखोगे, आयुर्वेदा बेस्ड ऑन दिस 5000 ईयर्स का ओल्ड अपना खुद का सेल्फ हीलिंग पैटर्न अपने ही कंट्री में है. अगर आप किचन अगर ओपन करते हो, आज आपके किचन में on international platform it has been discussed. Indian kitchen is the medicine house. Medicine house is what? Is the natural medicine house. अगर आप खोलते हो उसमें से हल्दी नजर आती है, आप खोलते हो उसमें से जीरा नजर आता है, वो आप खोलते हो उसमें से अजवाइन नजर आता है. All these are the medicine property we have in our kitchen and we have. हम लोग उसी पे पले बड़े हैं, वही देख देख के हमने अपनी जिंदगी आगे हम लोग ला रहे हैं. So new generation को भी हमें प्रयास करना होगा. They have to believe in ourselves. They have to believe in our old traditional concept which is run by the Indian tradition. और उसमें बहुत अच्छे से मैसेजेस है, बहुत अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि मेंटल वेलनेस के लिए अगर आता है वापस, तो मेंटल वेलनेस में डिलीवरी के बाद मदर और चाइल्ड के लिए बहुत बड़ा एक सवाल खड़ा होता है। आफ्टर द डिलीवरी मदर गेट्स वेरी badly affected with the depression because she is not able to take the all these changes in her life. She is not able to cope up with the new life, और उसी सिलसिले में उसका जो 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 उससे खुद से जो झगड़ा होता है, खुद के लाइफ से जो झगड़ा वो खुद को फाइट करती है, उस पोजीशन में she becomes the depressed, she gets the depression. On this special topic I have done the research, और वो रिसर्च आपको बताती हूँ। वो रिसर्च कुछ नहीं है, वो रिसर्च है मेरा खुद का जो लाइफस्टाइल था विलेज में, वो विलेज का लाइफस्टाइल के प्लेटफॉर्म पे व्हेन आई डिलीवर्ड माय ओन बेबी 34 years बैक, और तब मैंने जब बेबी को डिलीवर किया था, एंड वॉट एवर यू नो रेज्यूम्स, वॉट एवर रिचुअल्स आई हैव रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम माय मदर, उसी के ऊपर मैंने एक पूरा रिसर्च किया मदर्स टच के ऊपर, और वो रिसर्च आज वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे पब्लिश हुआ है। एंड दैट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दी हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज टेकिंग दी ऑल दिस रिचुअल्स व्हेन बेबी इज डिलीवर्ड। तब हमें ये देखना नहीं है हम लोग कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग मदर है, बट वी हैव टू टेक सर्टेन रिचुअल्स, एंड दैट रिचुअल्स इज डेफिनेटली कामिंग डाउन योर माइंड, कामिंग डाउन योर सोल। और उसी के इसके ऊपर इसके ऊपर जो रिसर्च मैंने पब्लिश किया, आई हैव बिकम द वर्ल्ड का मैं फर्स्ट ऑथर बनी हूँ ये रिसर्च को पब्लिश करने के लिए। आज WHO में ये रिसर्च मेरा पब्लिश हुआ है, एंड दैट्स हाउ जॉन हॉपकिन, हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी और ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ने मुझे बुलाया था। मेरा रिसर्च ये सभी जगह पे पब्लिश हुआ है। सो वी हैव सो मच टू गिव टू द वर्ल्ड। If anyone thinks today, anyone think about that, mentally if you are strong, no one can stop. If I go back to my own life and I think, अगर मैं खुद को अगर पॉजिटिव नहीं समझ लेती थी, if I would have not taken myself पॉजिटिवली, अगर मैं दुनिया से फाइट करने के लिए खुद को नहीं रेडी करती थी, yes, it has been made the lot of comments on my language, मेरे रहन सहन पे, सब जगह पे मेरा, तब जब शुरू में आई थी बॉम्बे में तो हुआ था। But what is today? Today is I am talking on this platform. Why that change has come in my life? Because I have never ever taken myself for the granted. I have never ever allowed myself to take any negative thoughts in my mind and destroy my own vision. I have never ever been waiting for anybody to come and मेरे पीठ पे थपथपाए और मुझे शाबाश की दे। I did never expect that. क्यों नहीं किया? क्योंकि मुझे खुद को चेंज करना था, मेरे इसमें खुद को बदलाव लाना था। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई हैव डिसाइडेड आई विल नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय माय विजन्स, आई विल नॉट गो एनीबॉडी व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग। और ये तो हमेशा होने ही वाला है, बट व्हाट वी एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज टू डिसाइड, वी हैव टू थिंक दैट इज इफ आई एम मेंटली स्ट्रांग, nothing can go wrong with me. If I am like myself, I'm opening my mental door for the certain thing, nothing will go wrong with me. This is the confidence everyone has to carry with them, and just see the life, how life will change in you, how entire surrounding will change for you. Because ये बहुत important है, सभी के लिए important है, सभी ने ये बहुत positively लेना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि आपका जो मेंटल स्टेटस है, that mental status will decide your whole lifestyle. Well-being lifestyle will decided by only and only your mental status. मेंटल स्टेटस में हम लोग आज तक यही देखते हैं कि हम लोग बहुत निगेटिव इसमें देख रहे हैं कि कोई मेंटल स्टेटस मींस डिफरेंट वे से हम लोग सोच रहे हैं, बट दिस हैज बिकम द बिगेस्ट कंसर्न इन द वेलनेस इंडस्ट्री. Everyone is talking about that, thinking about that, and lots and lots of research are going on this. I am running the initiative on the world platform about this digital detox और mental wellness के ऊपर. मैं खुद भी एक पार्ट हूँ ये इनिशिएटिव रन करने में, और वहाँ पे बड़े से बड़े जो जितने भी दिग्गज है, जितने भी नोन पीपल है ऑन द वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म, वी ऑल ऑफ अस आर वर्किंग टुगेदर. और आज ये कंसर्न जो है ये बहुत सीरियस लेवल पे जा रहा है. सो एवरीवन हैज टू टेक इट पॉजिटिवली, एवरीवन हैज टू टेक एनर्जेटिक योरसेल्फ. आज अगर आप पैंडेमिक पीरियड में अगर देखते हो तो खुद आप घर में बैठे बैठे इतने डिप्रेस हो चुके हो. कुछ लोग जो है इतने डिप्रेस हो चुके हैं कि उनको विजन ही नहीं नजर आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. लेकिन अगर अदर साइड में आप देखोगे, लॉट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी हैज बीन ओपन. lots of opportunity has been open on the digital platform, on the online platform. बहुत सारे initiatives जो नए नए आपको देखने के मिल रहा है. अगर आप अच्छे positively लेते हो, अगर इसको आप utilize करते हो, opportunity comes once in a life. If you are taking that in the different direction, you will see the lot of changes in your own lifestyle. So this is what the mental wellness, what we are talking about, and creating the awareness on the world platform as well as in India. And thanks for the group. They have invited me and given me chance for talking on this topic. So I'm open for the questions. Any questions are there? Definitely, I'm open for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. Thank you for really passing on that message of positivity and optimism to the world. As a global ambassador, we are truly happy, to know that, and we become absolutely much more positive and innovative as well as creative in our field. So we have a question by Mr. Dilip Mehta, who says that 2 takeaways for our members to remain mentally and physically healthy in this unprecedented pandemic crisis, and 2 views, for our takeaways for all our business, Beautiful India Business Group members and family who's here with us, कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं with our health for our mental wellness.
So Simran, it is very important because 2 things. What I got Guru Mantra from my father. It's a very, very important thing. He has been always giving us this is from the childhood. He has been always telling us, we have been running behind all this materialistic stuff, right? मेरे पास गाड़ी चाहिए, बंगला चाहिए, मेरे पास अच्छा सा ऑफिस है. All these things are, yes, it is important to human being. It is important for everybody, and all of us has to run for this. But 2 things, all these things is which you have to share with your family, which you have to share with your whole relatives, whatever is in the family, whomever is there. ये सब आपको शेयर करना पड़ता है. बंगला भी बड़ा होगा तो आप शेयर करोगे, गाड़ी भी होगी तो आप शेयर करोगे, सब कुछ होगा और शेयर करोगे. लेकिन one important thing which you should not forget, which belongs to you and you only, and that is a Guru Mantra what I got from my father, is that is your own health and own education. और health और education के लिए neither you have to wait for any languages barrier, neither you have to wait for your any age barrier, neither you have to wait for any geographical barrier. ये कुछ भी आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, रीजन इसको आगे लाने की जरूरत नहीं. You can start your mental health or physical health anytime. This is the very biggest, this is a property which belongs to you and only you. You are the sole owner for these 2 properties, which you have to start anytime, anywhere, or wherever you want. So mental health के लिए, again I am telling you, mental health के लिए you have to just do the practice regularly. What I am doing that. हम लोगों को आदत है, हम लोग पुरानी कबड़ ओपन करते हैं, वहां से पुरानी चीजें सब निकालते हैं, उसको हम लोग फेंकते हैं क्योंकि हमें कबड़ क्लीन करनी होती है. वही हम लोग करते हैं घर क्लीन करने के लिए, हाउस क्लीन करने के लिए. what we are doing the same thing. Unwanted stuff we are throwing out and we are bringing the beautiful stuff and we are decorating our house. That's all these things we are doing. What are we doing for our mind? What are we doing for our mind? Our mind has all this negative thought process. When are you cleaning that? We are dumping all this unwanted stuff in our mind. When are we clearing that? So we ourselves has to think about this. हमें ही खुद को सोचना पड़ेगा कि अनवांटेड जो पीछे पड़ा हुआ जो थॉट प्रोसेस है, और वो बहुत बुरी आदत होती है सबको, पुराना सब लेके आते हैं और डिस्कशन में बार बार आज के प्रेजेंट में पुरानी चीज को लेके आके we just discuss and we just spoil our old this particular time. That should not happen. That should not happen. Whatever happened in the past, we have to keep on forgetting, forgiving, and moving ahead. That's one important thing every human being has to do. Every human being has to do and keep on forgiving or moving ahead. अगर वो कैरी ऑन कर रहे हैं तो उसका डैमेजेस आपके बॉडी पे हो रहा है. इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग लाइक कोई आपको पता नहीं होगा, कोई इंटेंशनली आपको डैमेज करने के लिए कोई थॉट प्रोसेस आपके दिमाग में छोड़ के जाता है. एंड व्हाट यू डू, you are taking as a garbage ground, you are taking whole thing on your head and you start thinking on that. Why it happened? Why it has happened? Because you are used to bring this garbage in your mind, and that is why it is happening, which you have to remove. You have to remove. No one can remove all these things. You are the only one person. I'm telling you again, again, there is no doctor on this earth, no doctors on this world earth who can clear this mindset. You are the only and only person. You have to start clearing that. So think one day, every day, not every day, at least in a week, you sit properly. You see this cupboard has full with all this negative stuff, unwanted stuff. How I have to remove that and bring the beautiful stuff in my mind, so it can become the more beautiful, my whole mindset. That we have to think, and we have to work. We have to put the efforts for that. And this is what daily practice will definitely make you habitual. And one thing is that don't read each and every all these WhatsApp messages. Stop that, all these things. Don't forward without knowing the messages meaning. Don't forward, because you yourself is damaging others' life. You have to stop that things. Another thing is that is constantly watching the negative news. Please stop that things. One more thing, what you have to do every morning when you wake up, don't immediately pick up your phone and start watching that. And don't start all this growing to who has told me good, who has said me bad, how many liking has come on me on the Facebook or social media or whatever. All these things we have to stop. Once you have displayed your thought process on the world platform or on the digital platform, forget about that. Forget कितने लोगों को पसंद आया नहीं पसंद आया. Forget about that. You liked it, you wanted to share your thought process, you have already done the good job. Forget for the next thing. Don't keep on thinking about that, because this is damaging your body, not others' body. It is completely creating the negative impact on your body, and this stress level is damaging so many organs of your body directly, indirectly, because nerve system is very, very sensitive, and that works on all the stress level. और वो stress level को अगर खत्म करना है, आपको कम करना है, so you have to start thinking about that. Start meditating every day. मेडिटेशन का भी मुझे हर बार सवाल आता है. लोग पूछते हैं कि हमारा मेडिटेशन में कंसंट्रेशन नहीं होता है. नो प्रॉब्लम, नहीं होता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट जब भी आप बैठे हो, आप ट्राई करो कि फेस के मसल्स को आप रिलैक्स करते जाना है, बाकी कुछ मत करो. जितना आप रिलैक्स करते जाओगे, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल स्टार्ट गोइंग इनसाइड द डीपेस्ट ऑफ द मेडिटेशन लेवल. और वो धीरे धीरे होते रहेगा. थॉट प्रोसेस आएगी, उसको निकालने का आप ही के हाथ में, तो आप करना बहुत जरूरी है. So these are the small tips which you have to implement in your day-to-day life.
Thank you so much. And we'll really take away, and that's what I said, everyone, at the start of this session, that yes, we'll all have great takeaways which could change your life forever. Very interesting question here from Ghanshyam ji. He's saying, will working with wife as a working partner help in keeping mental health better?
Ghanshyam ji, is it sarcastic way you are asking, or you are really wanted to know these things? But anyway, working with the wife is a fantastic, fantastic experience. And if you are taking her not as a wife, but taking her as a business partner, so definitely it will help you. Definitely it will help.
No, ma'am, I am very serious for this, because I am seeing in my own organization.
Some background noise is coming. I don't know. Yeah, starting. Yeah.
I was just saying, just to support what you have been saying.
Other has to mute yourself. Disturbance, a lot of disturbance in the background. Yeah, please. Sir,
I just want to add to what you have just said for quite time, to clean up our mind. When we work as partner in office, there are many a time we have, family things also crops in our discussion, and mother is very close to the husbands, to the son and daughters, and if they are the member of the board, then many times we find it difficult to drive our messages with respect to doing good for the organization when it comes to building, because at the moment office is nothing extended part of our family environment there. If I consider my employee as my son and daughter, and my wife supports that, then I think I should be able to do better. That is where I seek your views.
So Ghanshyam ji, very, I can see the concern about the overall the how it is affecting the personal life sometime. So important इसमें यही है कि when you both are working together, so as I'm telling you how digital detox you have to it is technology is vardhan for us, but same time it is it is dangerous for us by using excess of that. Same if you are thinking like when you are coming in the business platform, so you think as each other as a business partners, that is sure. Certain thing you have to discipline in your business lifestyle is that is the no when you are you allowing your staff to talk for personal talk in the business in the office? Are you allowing anybody to discuss on the business personal discussion? Are you doing the discussion only with the staff for this? If not, if this is no, then it is no for the both of you. You guys should not discuss anything what is related in the family discussion. You have to be very professionally handle your own professional life when you are in the office or when you are in the business talk. And that time, even I'm working with my daughters, and I was working with my son-in-law also for this while. But when we came all these things, when we are displaying or talking to others, तो ये डिसिप्लिन होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये कैरी ऑन, वही बोल रही हूँ वापस में, ये जो है कैरी ऑन आपको घर पे नहीं लेके जाना है, घर का जो है आपको ऑफिस में नहीं लाना है. अगर ये सिंपल अगर डिसिप्लिन आपके दोनों के बीच में आता है, so I'm sure definitely mentally you will feel the lot of peace in the mind. क्योंकि ये जो है ये हम लोग कैरी ऑन करने की जो आदत है ना, that has to stop somewhere.
Sure, Rekha, we'll take the last two questions since time is a constraint and we have a lot of questions, and I'll speak and I will tell you both the questions so that we can really wind off the session on time. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, we will definitely cater on the IBG platform for sure. Now, Samarth says, Madam, on women who are depressed because of working from home, क्योंकि घर से सब ladies काम कर रही है, थोड़े सा depressed रह रही हैं. And we have a question from Vikash Mitra saying, since you belong to the wellness sector, आपको क्या लगता है when will some vaccine be discovered? So these are my questions.
So because ये बहुत important सवाल आपने पूछा है, which is actually going on in the society now, and really this is very sensitive matter what I am seeing. So मेरा यही कहना है कि आज we are talking about the COVID-19, और COVID-19 के ऊपर बहुत सारे scientists काम कर रहे हैं, and they are working day and night to discover the vaccine for this, right? So same thing what we should be doing, taking our body as a mental temple, our body as a temple. Start respecting your body as a temple. The day you will start respecting your body as a temple, you will automatically start rediscovering yourself, and you will start thinking about that. क्योंकि ये जो depression घर पे बैठे हैं, तो आपको एक तो first समझना है कि this is the life what we have to accept it. और सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जब ऐसे सिचुएशन में से हम लोग जा रहे हैं, सो ये बोलना होता है कि हम लोग बोलते हैं कि समय बहुत बड़ा आंसर होता है. वी ऑलवेज टाइम विल स्पीक, राइट? हम लोग हमेशा अपने बातों में लाते हैं, बोलते हैं, लेकिन नाउ रियली टाइम हैज कम वेयर टाइम विल स्पीक. हाउ टाइम विल स्पीक? क्योंकि अगर आपको खुद को अगर ये टाइम जो सिचुएशन में से आप जा रहे हो, वो सिचुएशन को अगर आप लाइटली ले लेते हो कि बोलोगे ये अभी तो टेम्पररी है, ये हो जाएगा, ये शायद होगा 2-4 दिन में, 6 महीने में, 8 महीने में, but it is there. But then when automatically everything will open, that day will come, everything will open, normal lifestyle will start, that day will come, that automatically ये अपना लाइफस्टाइल साइकिल जो है चेंज हो जाएगा. पर जो घर से ही काम करने के लिए हमेशा ही जो काम कर रहे हैं घर से, उनके लिए तो यही होगा कि खुद को मोटिवेट करना है, खुद का वैक्सीन खुद को ही ढूंढना है कि हर एक चीज में आपको हैप्पीनेस कहाँ पे मिलता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम ऑलवेज टेलिंग, हम लोग वी आर ट्राइंग टू लाइक रन टू द न्यूट्रिशन, रन टू द साइकोलॉजिस्ट, सब जगह पे हम लोग जाके पूछते हैं कि मैंने क्या खाना चाहिए जिसके वजह से मेरा बॉडी अच्छा रहेगा. बट व्हाई डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड योर बॉडी योरसेल्फ? बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी, आपका माइंड आपके सिवा कोई भी नहीं जानता है. ये प्लीज माइंड में फिक्स कर लीजिए, माइंड में फिक्स कर लीजिए. आपको लगता है कि डॉक्टर बता देगा मेरा बॉडी का ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, ये बता देगा, नहीं. आपको खुद को देखना है कि अंदर बॉडी के अंदर मैंने कुछ खाया है, उसका साइड इफेक्ट मेरे ऊपर क्या हुआ है, मैंने कुछ थॉट प्रोसेस किया है, इसका मेरे माइंड के ऊपर आज कितना तकलीफ हुआ है. ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स टू योरसेल्फ. बहुत लोगों को आदत नहीं है, खुद को मिरर में देखने की आदत बहुत कम लोगों को है. सिर्फ वी जस्ट लुक द फेस, बट लुक योर होल बॉडी. Every day you look your whole body, how your body is reacting, what exactly your mind is saying. खुद को खुद के बात करने के लिए सीखो, मिरर के सामने खड़े होके बोलो I am the happy person. Nothing is wrong. You once you start that talking yourself, just see the day how it start. डे जब सुबह में आप जब शुरू करते हो, आपको वही बोल रही हूँ कि जो मोबाइल्स का जो इंफॉर्मेशन जो बाहर से आ रहा है, लेस कंज्यूम करो, उसको लेस कंज्यूम करो. इसीलिए जो हम लोग देख रहे पुराने जमाने में जो था कि लोग जो है कि स्कैटर मैनर में रहते थे, अलग अलग जगह पे थे, जहाँ पे उनका विश्व था वो बहुत लिमिटेड जगह पे था. जितना उनका विश्व लिमिटेड था उतना वो they were very happy. Today what is happening with us, we are connected through the all these things, devices or net or whatever, गूगल के माध्यम से हम लोग वर्ल्ड को कनेक्ट है. लेकिन उसके वजह से हम लोग क्या करें कि वो जो इंफॉर्मेशन अनवांटेड टाइम पे मींस रॉन्ग टाइम पे हम लोग कंज्यूम करना शुरू कर देंगे. सो इट विल डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट योर बॉडी. फॉर एग्जांपल, मॉर्निंग इज फॉर योर ओन, yourself. You have to devote for yourself. You have to work for yourself. मॉर्निंग में एफर्ट्स करके डाल के आपको इस सब चीजों से एलिमेंट करना है और हैप्पीली आपका डे शुरू करना है. उसमें आपका एक्सरसाइज है, आपका मेडिटेशन है, आपके घर के भी जो भी काम है. क्योंकि आजकल आप देखोगे, मैं अभी और एक टॉपिक पे बोलती हूँ, वेलनेस किचन के ऊपर बोलती हूँ. वेलनेस किचन इज हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज दैट, जहाँ पे हम लोग सब लोगों को साथ में, फैमिली मेंबर को साथ में लाके हम लोग काम करना है. हेल्थ रिलेटेड जो भी है हमने उसके ऊपर हमने डिस्कशन करना है. ये सब चीजें बहुत वेरियस वे वी कैन कीप एंगेज आवरसेल्फ. मॉर्निंग का अगर ब्रेकफास्ट करना है तो हम सबको साथ में लेके करेंगे. लेकिन घर में ये हो जाता है जब वी आर इन द हाउस एंड वर्किंग फ्रॉम द हाउस, मॉर्निंग का सेशन अपना यही हो जाता है. कोई लेट उठ रहा है उसको लेके हम लोग स्ट्रेस है, कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है उसको लेके, हमारे फैमिली मेंबर में कोई नहीं कर रहा है उसको लेके हम लोग स्ट्रेस है. Why can't we think that is okay, this has come to me, let me finish and move ahead. That is important thing. छोड़ो पीछे का और मूव अहेड करो. मींस आपको वो थॉट प्रोसेस को एलिमेंट करो और आगे बढ़ने की आदत डालने की शुरुआत करो.
So ladies, please be very positive with a lovely message by Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. I call her the queen of physical, mental and spiritual health. Rekha, सिर्फ एक ही लाइन में अगर हम बता सकेंगे, we'll take a last question, कि detoxification के लिए कुछ बताइए, because you are really the best as far as detoxification, cleansing of the system is concerned. So can we just wind up in one sentence if it's possible? कोई एक टिप हमारे beautiful family members of IBG को हम दे दें.
So detoxification के लिए सबसे ज्यादा वही होगा, मैं वापस बोल रही हूँ कि खुद को पहचानिए. You have to understand yourself. How you will understand yourself? Automatically you will start looking towards the what you are eating, what you are thinking, what you are talking. All these things you will start thinking about that, and automatically you will start non-toxin things eliminate from your toxin thing to eliminate from your body, your mind and your soul, and non-toxin things you will start adopting. So this is the detoxification. Really, it will help you.
Thank you so much, and to all our lovely members who are here with us, and to all our guests, आपको बता दूं, every year the second week of June, that is Sunday, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary has a great celebration in more than 100 countries, and that is, calls for her as being the global wellness ambassador. So Rekha, where can they find all the information? आपका कोई website है? People want to know where can they find more information and how can they participate and be a part of it? Please.
Thanks a lot, Simran, for Global Wellness Day के लिए बात करने के लिए. I really appreciate. Global Wellness Day is for the well-being lifestyle, और वो कोई कहाँ पे भी सेलिब्रेट जरूर कर सकता है जिनको भी है. Every second Saturday it is celebrated in June. और वो जो है डिवोटेड है, आपको उसको टॉक शो करना है, आपको किसी को इंस्पिरेशन देना है, आपको किसी को खुद की बॉडी में चेंज लाना है. यू जस्ट सी आई एम मोटिवेटेड, आई एम रेडी टू से यस टू द वेलनेस. ऑटोमेटिकली वर्ल्ड विल स्टार्ट सेइंग यस टू द वेलनेस. और इसका वेबसाइट है globalwellnessdayindia.com करके है. अगर या तो rekhachaudhary.com के ऊपर भी आपको ये दिखाई देगा, और देयर इज अ पेज ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे इंडिया. यू विल सी दैट. एंड दिस सैटरडे, next Saturday, we are going to celebrate the 12 hours of the Global Wellness Day on the online platform. Everybody, like Simran, I would like to in fact invite you also to be part of this, and IBG group also to be part of this, to celebrate this for the well-being for the society.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. This was truly informative, and as I said, we will start living a detox life. Be very positive and believe in forgiving and forgetting. और हर पल जो जिएंगे खुशी से जिएंगे.
Right.
All because of the lovely guidance that you've given us. and जो हमने stress देखा है, since the last 90 days, everything that has come in our mind, it's time for us to detoxify and purify ourselves. See the light within you. And with this, I'm going to take this opportunity of thanking you and request Mr. Vikash Mitasen, our business guru, kindly be here with us. And the last word from you and our members, lovely members, please be here with us because we have a special treat for all of you right after Mr. Vikash speaks. So please be here with us. And we'd like to truly thank you, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. Thank you so much for being here with us. I'm going to request Mr. Vikash Mitasen to kindly speak a few words. Hi Vikash, how are you doing? One second, I'm going to unmute you.
Unmuted. Unmute me.
Yes, you're on.
Okay, so as expected, an intellectually absolutely emancipating talk today. नई बात नहीं है मेरे लिए, मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं करीब 70-80 रेडियो शोज कर चुका हूँ, वो हिंदी में है कंपलसरी, तो मेरी आधी टॉक आजकल हिंदी में होने लगी है ऑटोमेटिकली। तो आईबीजी के बारे में थोड़ी सी बात। 8 साल पहले हमने शुरू करा था और पर्पस कुछ नहीं था, यही था आई एम अ पीपल्स मैन। तो मैं हमेशा चाहता हूँ मैं लोगों के साथ रहूं। ऑफ कोर्स कोविड ने तो अभी रोक दी है ये मेरी जो इंटरेस्ट है, लोगों के साथ रहूं। अभी हर आदमी को देख के ऐसा लगता है कि दूर हो जाओ, बट शुरू जब करा था आईबीजी को तो पर्पस, लोग भी मुझे पूछे कि भाई क्यों कर रहे हो, ये पैसा भी लगेगा, टाइम भी लगेगा। ऐसा नहीं, मुझे मतलब लोग चाहिए, मुझे लोग अच्छे लगते हैं, काम तो सब करते ही है। तो उस दिन क्या हुआ कि हमने विलिंगटन क्लब में करा, 150 लोगों बोले कि भैया मिनिमम 150 लोग हमको चाहिए गारंटी। तो बहुत सोचा, मैं भी 150 लोग मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगा, फिर भी कर दिया कंफर्म। यू नो हाउ मेनी पीपल केम? 542 पीपल का बिल बना। वो कहाँ से आए और कैसे आ गए, कुछ वायरल चला गया पूरा, ये कुछ नई चीज चालू हो रही है। एंड आईबीजी से हमेशा मैं कई बार सोचता हूँ मैं क्या कर रहा क्यों हूँ, ये क्या हो रहा है, क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करता हूँ, पैसा भी कभी कभी लग जाता है, बट दैट डजंट मैटर। बट आंसर यही आता है कि मुझे पास से करीब से डॉक्टर चौधरी जैसे लोगों को मिलने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है। तो यही मेरा है ना स्टार्ट एंड एंड है ऑफ आईबीजी। कितने लोग मिले हैं। स्पीकिंग ऑफ डॉक्टर चौधरी, मैं इनसे कई बार मिल चुका हूँ अभी। हर आदमी का एक ऑरा रहता है अराउंड देम, अपने रियलाइज नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि अपने भागा दौड़ी में पड़े हुए हैं। हर आदमी का एक्चुअली ऑरा है। आप जरा ओपन सेंसेस से किसी से भी मिलो और बात करो, यू विल गो अवे विद दैट ऑरा, बिकॉज दे आर प्रोजेक्टिंग देयर ऑरा इनविजिबली। जब भी मैं डॉक्टर चौधरी को मिला हूँ उसके बाद 2 दिन तक मुझे इतनी शांति मिली है। By whatever she speaks and whatever she does, I don't even really know क्या है, but she's projecting something. So go and meet her anytime you want, and she will be a very positive influence on you. एक final बात है about COVID. अपने without knowing, right from birth, we are running. कोई भी चीज के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, and वो end ही नहीं है कि अपने आज का नहीं खत्म हुआ, कल का प्लान चालू हो गया कि कल क्या करना है। ये महीना खत्म नहीं हुआ तो नेक्स्ट मंथ का चालू हो गया। एक साल खत्म नहीं हुआ तो उसके अगले साल का अपन प्लानिंग है ऑन पेपर, इतना पैसा बनाएंगे, इतना ये करेंगे, इतना वो करेंगे, इतना बड़ा घर लेंगे। मुझे लोग जब पूछते हैं कि आपका घर कैसा है, कितना बड़ा है, आप कभी इन्वाइट नहीं करते हो, तो मैं इनको यही जवाब देता हूँ कि मैं कोई घर में रहता नहीं, मैं अपने माइंड में रहता हूँ। हाउस तो इज जस्ट समथिंग वेयर योर बॉडी इज स्टेइंग, यू आर नॉट स्टेइंग देयर, यू आर लिविंग इन योर माइंड। तो इस बात को गौर करो हमेशा, कभी नेवर बी अनहैप्पी if in your office, in your home, you always remember कि you are in your mind, nowhere else. Mind बोलो, soul बोलो। तो ये मैं ज्ञान नहीं दे रहा हूँ, आज मैं बिजनेस की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, purposely the way I normally do. So coming back to COVID, I had started out saying that अपने भाग रहे हैं, पूरी दुनिया भाग रही है, we know it. So God sat back and thought कि ये क्या चल रहा है, मैंने ये वर्ल्ड को इसके लिए नहीं क्रिएट करा था, और चीजें थे मेरे माइंड में, तो उसने ब्रेक दे दिया। अभी रुक जाओ, 6 महीने के लिए शांति से बैठो, सोचो कि आप किस वास्ते हो इधर। तो अब जो वापस शुरू होने वाला है, please start the new world with a different mindset. Don't have only monetary goals. Don't only just have goals about yourself. Think about the others who are around you. Think what you can do good for the world. So it is going to be a completely different world, whether you like it or not. So you better adopt now. And thank you once again. Priya, do you have anything to say to end this?
Priya, I would like to ask you Priya, I'd also like to request you to speak here with us, in front of us, where a member where Ghanshyam Gupta wants to become an IBG member and contribute in his personal capacity. So if you could just inform us regards the same as well.
Thanks, Simran, a lot. And
Simran, you introduce Priya because we very little know about her. We just see her with few words. And
Right now. Okay. So Priya, I would say, is the backbone of IBG, the India Business Group. She's the CEO officially on paper, but otherwise she's 24/7. As Vikas said, that you stay in your mind, Priya stays with IBG. So she stays connected with all of us, and she's the one who allows us to be a brighter entrepreneur, very dynamic entrepreneurs, because she connects us to the best of people across the world. So when Mr. Vikash Mitra Sen plans any summit on an international level, on an international arena across borders, so Priya is the one who will help you connect and solve all your troubles and make you smile just like the way she's smiling. So she is Priya. Please meet Priya Pansare, our CEO of IBG. Yes, Priya.
Thanks for such a wonderful introduction, Simran. I would like to thank Rekha today for such an inspiring talk. I was thinking maybe while this discussion was on, one idea popped up to my mind that, as Simran said, that we've been doing international delegations every year. So maybe this year or whenever the lockdown completely gets lifted up, we should do a delegation on tourism wellness. So maybe we can plan something on those lines. Let's see how it works. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, dear Priya, and thank you to all our lovely members. As I said, there's a surprise now, so be here with us. I learned something really, really very, very crucial for my career, which was last week. We had a session by Mr. Vikash Mitra Sen, and which Deepesh was hosting. And Vikash, I really learned this from you, that you said, if you're not networking, you're not working. And aajkal ka networking is virtual. So I'm going to take this opportunity of unmuting all of you, welcoming you all. At the same time, we will not speak anything, but we will at first sing happy birthday for Vikash, because it's virtual celebration, and I want you all family members to be together, and post which we're going to have a group photo of. So I'm going to request Siddharth and Girish to please have your group photo ops with everyone, because it's all about networking, right? So we're doing virtual networking, and I have learned this from you, Vikash, and I have never ever been anywhere besides IBG, but I will start doing that, and I'll start coming for every single event that IBG has. So everyone, are we ready? Yes. Kajal, yes, please set your hair. So I'm going to unmute all of you and make sure you are giving your best pose. We're going to click a picture and at first start singing happy birthday to our business guru, Vikash Mitra Sen, who is very young at heart and dynamic. So I'm sure, he's going to forgive me for this. And I apologize for the delay because I was on half an hour before, but it went off my internet connection there. So I sincerely apologize to all of you. Okay, so I'm unmuting all. Yay! Show me your bright faces, everyone here, the entire family of IBG.
Shouldn't you have warned me about this?
Hello to everyone.
मुझे warn नहीं करना चाहिए था इसके बारे में कि ऐसा भी होने वाला है.
Sorry. Okay, so everyone, are we ready? So I'm going to unmute all.
It was supposed to be a surprise.
Some surprise for you.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I'm so lucky my session was your birthday.
Surprise.
Request you all that we will just sing happy birthday and then have a group photo op. So I'm going to ask Girish. Girish, I have unmuted all. So आप अपने screen से unmute
Screenshot,
कर लीजिए. Photo unmute, video भी unmute कर लीजिए. I want to see all the pictures.
Yeah.
So I've done my work, right, Girish?
Yep.
I've unmuted all. Okay, so let's sing happy birthday, everyone together. Please have your audios on, your videos on. So I can see all the lovely family of IBG here. Thank you. Hello to everyone. Okay, so let's sing. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vikash. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
May God bless you.
हो गया.
God bless you.
For giving us a different India Business Group world to us, and opening up our venues where our visions are concerned and turning it into a reality. And we all owe it to you. I'm going to take this opportunity to start thanking everyone for being here with us. And a group photo हो जाएगा. So please अपने videos on कीजिए सभी लोग. A few people are coming back again. Yes, please video के लिए आ जाइए. I want a group photograph which I'm going to click from my mobile phone. So everyone, please come in. Everyone, please come in. Everyone is unmuted. आपको खुद अब unmute करना है आपके screen से. Okay, so now you can unmute yourself. Okay, so everyone, please, can we have the group photo up? Have I unmuted all, Girish?
Yeah.
I've
Few are
unmuted,
muted,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, allow participants to unmute themselves. Perfect. Sorry, it's my first ever webinar which I'm hosting. I love being an anchor, but this was like a heartbeat for me. But I've learned how to be relaxed and patient. So Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, we would want you to be here with us, and thank you so much for the really most wondrous session, which will take us to a new world with positivity, optimism, happiness, and peace of mind. So can we have...
Thanks a lot, Simran. And someone is asking for that they want to become the Paras Money mission. So definitely they can. Yeah.
Sure. Lovely. So I'm going to unmute
Thanks a lot.
Okay, I'm going to ask everyone to start video. Just give me a second for this because I started 4 minutes late, so I'm to be blamed for it. And I sincerely apologize. So please start your video, everyone. And we're going to have a group photo up. Okay, so can we see some more people? Okay. You have to unmute yourself. Okay. Hi, Disha. Okay, so can we just, can you unmute everyone? Everyone, Disha, Manjeet Singh, unmute all of them. I've done unmute all, but yeah. Yay, thank you. Hello to everyone, and thank you so much for being here with us. And we're all a part of IBG family. So Girish, I'm going to request you for a nice photo op, and please share it with all of us. You know, as I said that, yes, I learned this from Vikash Mitasen, and today I'm taking what we learned from Dr. Rekha Chaudhary and everyone, all the wondrous sessions that we've been having regularly here at the IBG webinars, and Priya is going to help you with it. So agar aap mein se koi bhi new hai with us here, please feel free, please apne email IDs हमारे chat box में लिख के भेजिए so that we can be connected with you. Dipesh, thank you so much for all the help that you gave me along with Girish and Siddhi. Very kind of you. Thank you. So can we have the group photo up? Sumedha, can I request you to have your video on? Okay, the rest of you will. Oh, thank you. आप सभी video on कर दीजिए. Deboshi, उसे दबाइए. Video. Thank you. Oh, that's lovely. Okay. Sure. So smile, please, and truly thankful to all of you. We're going to have our next session in the coming week. Today is the World Environment Day. आप सबको बहुत बधाई हो. And world के environment के साथ अपने दिल का, अपने मन का, अपने mind का environment आज ठीक रखेंगे. That is how we had Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. And thank you very much to our business guru. I call you doctor because you are one name, you know, for anyone who really wants to have an entrepreneurship, you know, their vision, you know, and you make it into a reality. So thank you so much, Dr. Vikash and Priya. Thank you, sweetheart. So everyone wanted to elaborate information and I gave it to you. So can we have the photo up? And 1, 2, 3, let's strike a pose.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much to all our lovely people for being here with us, all our lovely family. IBG rocks. Take care. God bless. And if you have anything, please connect with us. Priya Pansare is the one who's always there to help you. Thank you and God bless. Thank you very much to all of you. Vikash, you want to say something towards the end?
One word, one small thing.
Please.
You call me Dr. So-and-so. I've always wanted to be known as a doctor. I went to Bombay University because I wanted to do a PhD. And they turned me down. And then I went to a couple of other guys, you know, and they all turned me down at universities. I said, what's the problem? I mean, what's wrong with me? They said, no, you're not educated enough to be qualifying to do a thesis or a doctorate. It's one of the things which I regret all my life. They told me, go and do your post-graduation of 2 years and then come back. I didn't have the time or the heart to do that. So anyway, thanks for calling me doctor. Loved it.
Honoris causa.
Because I would like to say something here, Simran.
Yes, Dr. Rekha, please.
Yeah, as his work is so deeply, he has done so much of work for the industry and especially on the business forum. So he is allowed to accept the doctorate padvi or degree from from all of us. You know, because this is what I got from the French University because of my work in the wellness industry. I see the kind of work you have done, and nicely simple one message you said. Big house is not important. Your mind is important for you, and that's what you are giving the message to the world. So you are
Thank you.
doctor for us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much. And
Simran.
honoris causa for you, Dr. Vikash Mitase, in the next month itself. So thank you so much to all of you, the entire family. Bahut bahut shukriya. I'm going to appreciate the fact and thank you all for really muting your audios when we wanted you to, and as well as going off the videos. So truly thankful to you. A global thank you to all of you. Thank you very much to all the lovely souls. And stay mentally healthy. Enjoy the Environment Day. And thank you, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. We'll see you for the Global Wellness Day the coming Sunday. Thank you, Dr. Vikash Mitase. Dr. Vikash Mitase. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lots of love to all of you. God bless.